friends, my name is Sumit Bhandari on behalf of HealthInsuranceIA.com, which is India's first fee-based health insurance consultant. I welcome you, and today the topic of our discussion is why most of the people are unhappy with health insurance policies in India. Like recently, there has been a survey where it has been declared that 80% of people in India they are unhappy with their health insurance policies. Why so? Let us discuss in detail. What is health insurance? Practically, it is supposed to be our safety net during any kind of medical emergencies. But in India, ask around, you will find most of the people are frustrated, confused, or even angry with their health insurance experience. Let us start with the biggest problem, which is awareness. Most of the people in India they buy health insurance policy without fully understanding what they are signing up for. Terms like waiting period, co-payment, sublimits, and network hospitals are either ignored or not explained. This leads to a shock later, like when someone finds out they can't claim for a pre-existing condition for first 2 or 3 years. Why so? Because health insurance policies are full of jargon, terms and condition, and lots of fine print. It's not that people don't care, they just aren't told what really matters. So here lies the biggest culprit, the guy whom you are buying policy from. I mean, most of the people they don't even spend time in explaining the policy to their clients. Another big point is poor claim experience. The real test of any health insurance policy comes at the time of a claim in a hospital. And that's where the second issue appears, a painful claim experience. Claim approvals can be delayed, reduced, or even denied. Insurance companies might ask for endless document, investigations, and any small mistake can get your claim rejected. And here's the kicker, this often happens during a medical emergency. When your families are already stressed, that's why so many people say it's easier to just pay out of pocket. Let me take a claim on my own. Another big issue is mis-selling. Insurance agents or executives, out of their job pressures, often push plans based on their commission, not your actual needs. So this is the problem of vested interest. Some policies have very low premiums. Sounds great, right? But what you don't see is that they have tons of limits, room rent caps, disease specific limits, co-payment, deductibles, or they don't cover advanced treatments more than 1 lakh rupees. So this erodes trust. People feel cheated, like the system is rigged against them. Now, another big point is inadequate coverage and rising cost. Many people opt for basic policies, right, starting from 3 lakh to 5 lakh, even which might have been enough 10 years ago, but today a single hospitalization in a private big hospital can wipe out that entire amount. With healthcare inflation rising at 10 to 15% a year and upgrading your policy later comes with waiting periods all over again, and sometimes insurance company refuse to give you policy due to your underwriting risks. Many policies only offer cashless treatment at certain hospitals, and even then approvals can be delayed. If you go to a non-network hospital, you have to pay first and claim later, a long and tedious process. Poor communication, misleading sales, high out of pocket costs, and a system that often fails during emergencies. Things are improving. Some insurers are offering more transparent policies. IRDA is pushing for some complicated norms. They want to simplify, but things are really complicated. And awareness related to health insurance is growing, but still we have a long way to go. Why? Because there is a lot of propaganda which is happening in insurance sector, in social media, with lots of information is wrong. So if you're buying a policy, take time to research, read the fine print, ask correct questions, and choose any plan. I mean, always choose this based on your need, not the lowest premium. So my understanding is, so whenever you're buying a policy, be very careful. First of all, you have to analyze your risk. Try to identify what is your need. Until and unless you're not clear about your need, you won't be able to judge a policy. Ultimately, we are not looking for best health insurance policy in India. We should be practical enough to find out most suitable and best policy as per my need. So I request you kindly go through your process of identifying a policy in a correct manner and always try to buy policy in the best possible manner by following the best practices in industry. Thanks for watching this video. In case you need further information, kindly contact us at our website healthinsurancesahi.com. You can see lot of new articles on our blog. Thank you very much for watching this video. Jai Shri Radhe.